Buongiorno. We are Platinum Squad! So guys, kasalukuyan po kami po ay nasa Milan, Italy! Ngayon meron kaming challenge for today. Ang challenge namin ay we have 100 euros. So, kailangan, ito yung 100 euros. And kailangan namin i-budget ito for kasama dito ang lunch, kung ano man kailangan bilhin. Drinks, dinner. Tapos konting pasalubong. Sino ba sa inyo bibili ng mga pasalubong? Mga magnets?
Siyempre si magnets, keychain.
Ikaw, anong kailangan mo bilhin?
Medyas.
Medyas.
Bakit?
Kasi...
Manipis?
Manipis.
Okay.
Dito tayo. Hanap tayo. Kasha yan, 5 ang pa ako. Hi! Hi! Do you have socks? Socks? What's your biggest size?
Up to 40.
40?
40, yes.
Okay.
And these 27 euros.
Oh, it's already 1/4 of the budget. Uy, yung skate section to biya.
These are 45. But consider you have 6 pairs.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, we have a challenge.
We have a challenge.
We have to
The
eat.
cheapest
We have
price.
to eat lunch, buy coffee, and buy socks for 100 euros.
Wait a minute.
So you can grab a sandwich
Yes.
and buy the most expensive
Yes.
sauce here. No day jobs today. No lunch.
No, we have to eat lunch.
Day jobs.
Energy. Hi.
Hindi po kami nakabili ng socks.
Baka kami ng medyas mo yan.
Hindi na nakakabili.